Okay, in this video I'm going to explain the new tenders page and show the basic functionality, both from the front end and the back end. This is how the tenders page currently looks with the static table, with the individual RFPs and the people and organisations they've been awarded to. And if you can see here, I've got underneath the new layout tenders in beta. So if we click on this, then we can see that the format changes into a sort of standard post layout. So the more RFPs we add, then the more they will appear here. So the way in which it's set out is that we've got the title, then we've got some information such as the date, and then we've got the read more button. And so when we click on read more, we can then see the individual RFP, the number of downloads, the size of the RFP download, and some dates when it was created and last modified. Then we can have some text underneath to include the organisation that was awarded the RFP and perhaps some more details if necessary, and an image. And then underneath we've got the opportunity to download the PDF, and so I've just done that there. So it's quite straightforward, but it will give a lot more functionality to what we currently have on the front end there. And so if I go to the back end, what we can see here is there's a new feature here called downloads, and if we click on all packages, then we can see all of the RFPs currently in the system. And so there's a very basic way of adding new RFPs, and what I suggest is if we click on the latest one, but actually click on duplicate this. And so this will actually duplicate the RFP, but as a draft. So I'll just do that now. And you can see there the new RFP has come up with draft because it's still got the same title and it's still got the same file. And so what we can do is we can click on that new RFP. We can change the title. I'm just going to do this one just for demonstration. And I'm going to keep the organisation that we've awarded it to. And so you can see here that this is a normal sort of text box here which we can add lots more information on. We can add images, we can add anything you need. But at the moment I'm just using it for the purpose of the organisation the RFP has been awarded to. Okay, so each RFP is similar to a post, except we've got the ability here to upload a PDF. And so because we've duplicated the previous one, it's actually taken the previous PDF. So what we want to do is remove that one, and then we can upload a new one. Okay, so what we can do is then select a file. I'm just going to select the same one here just for demonstration, but I'm going to rename it 100. Okay, and I'm just going to open that. And that will put the new RFP in there underneath the new title and the new content. Okay, so what I can then do is actually change the RFP number here, because that's a field for each RFP, and then I'm going to publish. Okay, so now we can see that the previous RFP PDF has now gone away, and we've got the new PDF in there, the new tag, and a new RFP RFP number here. Okay, so that's basically how to add a new one in there. Once we've published that, you can go back to the front page, the front end, and then reload it and click on tenders. So now we have two in there, the first one, second one. There's a few sort of formatting things that we need to change, but that kind of goes over the basics of how this new tenders page is going to work. Be good to get your comments on this, and we can look to edit it in the future if we need to. Okay, thanks very much.